Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to rotate canvas in Adobe Photoshop or reset that canvas by the simplest way. It's work for all version. This trick is work for all version of all Photoshop. Okay. First of all, just go to the right side of your Photoshop. Here we find hand tool. Just click on the hand tool. At this hand tool, second option is rotate view tools. Just click on rotate view tools. Another option to go to rotate view tools is just press R key on your keyboard. Just press R key on your keyboard and your rotate tool is open. Okay, here is we find our rotate tool. Now just go to your canvas and just rotate your mouse. Just click at here and rotate your mouse and your canvas is move. Okay, I just rotate my mouse, click and rotate my mouse and our canvas is now moving. The another option is just press shift key on your keyboard and click on the canvas and rotate your mouse and it is move in 50 degree. Just press shift key and move your mouse and it is rotate in 50 degree. Okay, we can move it in the 50 degree. Another option is you can also manually rotate your angle from here. Okay, if I add 56 degree, then my canvas is moved to the 56 degree. Okay, and if you want to reset your canvas, then just click at reset view. Just click at reset view and your canvas is automatically goes to 0 angle, okay, or 0 degree. So guys, this is the simplest way to rotate canvas or reset that canvas by the simplest way in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.